I want to take a moment and show you how to fix a garage door. It was on its way up and it got stuck because a cat walked by. So now the garage door, as I hit the button, okay, now my first attempt is to hold it down. I've kept my finger on this button the whole time, and now it's off, and the garage is down. So now I'm going to hit this button and see what happens, and I'm just going to hit it. I'm not going to hold it. And it goes right up. Now, to make sure everything's all set, I'm going to just hit the button. Not hold it down, just touch it. Here we go. Ah, came back up. Let me try that again. Touch it. Comes back up. If I hold it down, but now I'm going to hold it down. And of course, the garage goes all the way down. We'll let it go. Now, ready to leave the house, and I touch this. Ah, it's messed up again. So, I'm gonna hold it. That's not working either. There's another possibility. It's over here on this switch box. Type in the code number, of course, and then hold the enter button down. And as I'm holding the enter button down, the garage door is going down. Now I let it up. I shut this, and I'm done. Learned something from this lesson.